In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove coupon codes from WooCommerce. Let's get started by opening your WordPress website and heading to the dashboard. From here, you'll navigate to the marketing section. This is the area where WooCommerce collects many of its promotional tools, and it's where you'll manage coupon codes. Click Marketing, then select Coupons. This will take you to the main coupon management screen. On this page, you'll see a list of all your existing coupon codes. Each row typically shows the code itself, a short description if you added one, usage limits, and the number of times it's been used. Think of this as your control center for promotions. If you have a long list, you can use the search bar at the top to quickly locate a specific code or sort the columns to bring recently created or most used coupons to the top, which can make review and cleanup much easier. Once you've found the coupon you want to remove, take a moment to confirm it's the correct one. It helps to glance at the description and any usage data so you don't accidentally remove a code that's still needed for a running campaign. When you're confident you've got the right coupon, look over to the actions available for that coupon. You'll see an option labeled Trash. Click Trash to remove the coupon from your active list. When you click Trash, the coupon isn't gone forever immediately. It's moved to the trash area, which acts like a safety net. This is helpful if you change your mind or realize the coupon is still needed. To restore it, you can visit the Trash tab at the top of the coupons page and bring it back with a single click. Until you permanently delete it from the trash, it won't be available at checkout, but it's still recoverable. A quick best practice here: before you remove a coupon, consider how it's being used. If it's part of an ongoing promotion, removing it will prevent customers from applying it at checkout. If you're cleaning up expired or one-time codes, moving them to trash keeps your list tidy while preserving the option to restore them later if needed. That's it. Open your WordPress dashboard, go to Marketing, click Coupons, find the code you want to remove, and click Trash. You've successfully cleaned up your coupon list, and you can always restore the code from the trash if necessary.